Hey there everyone, it's Brian again. Thanks for coming by my kitchen, Brian's kitchen that is. And this recipe that I want to do for you today, I was just about to go to work and make my smoothie, and I thought, why not make the smoothie that I found on Instagram the other day from Clarice in Seoul. So, hello Clarice. Whatever. So, here's the recipe. Thank you very much for allowing me to do this for you, Clarice. Really appreciate it. So the recipe says, 1 banana. See, here's the beautiful part about a rotten looking banana like this is that once it's in the blender, nobody knows that it's rotten anymore. So we're gonna throw that in just like so, but obviously sans the skin. It also calls for 1 cup of mango. This is frozen mango from Costco. Love that place. Let's just read the recipe here, shall we? Also says that we need a dash of milk. This is almond milk, that's what we drink in this house. And half a cup of Greek yogurt. Unfortunately, I don't have any Greek yogurt, but I got regular yogurt, so we're gonna throw that in there too. Now, quick tip, when you're making a smoothie like this, bananas are super thick. They don't have any liquid in them at all, so I think you need a little bit more than just a dash of milk unless you're looking for like a smoothie bowl consistency where it's really thick and creamy like a yogurt or something like that, but I'm going to throw in just a little bit more milk than a dash anyway. Then I'm going to throw in some yogurt. I said about a half a cup of yogurt, so I'm going to throw in about a half a cup of yogurt. Quick tip number 2, never use your blender without the lid. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, blend! Alright, I think we're done. Now keep in mind with this smoothie, we didn't add any sweeteners at all, just the banana. It was plain yogurt, so no sweeteners in there at all. And then the mango is sweet enough on its own, so no thanks Turkish, I'm sweet enough. Sexy glass time. Oh, look how wonderful that looks. Y'all see what I'm talking about? That is glorious. Thank you, Clarice in Seoul. Thanks again for stopping by my kitchen. I really appreciate it. And if you learned something new here today, great. Leave a comment down below. If you like what you saw here and you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to make sure you don't miss anything. I'm Brian from Brian's Kitchen. We'll see you guys next time.